Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we are going to start today's video off with a demo right away. We're not playing any games. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be demonstrating two products from Botanika Beauty. I am going to start off with the deep conditioner. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply this in my hair. So this is my second or third time actually trying this mask, and I absolutely love it. My hair drinks up every ounce of this product, which is hilarious. If you guys watching this video, you'll see how my hair pretty much absorbs the product. So this product is claiming to strengthen and repair, add moisture, and it's for all hair types. And if you guys see, I'm showing you guys the texture of the product. It is like a lighter texture. It's not more on the thick side, but it does hydrate really, really well. So definitely recommend. So how I apply a mask to my hair is very similar to how I style my hair. So I do work with sections and I work from the bottom up. So first I like to rake the product through my hair, making sure that each strand feels coated. And once each strand feels coated, I go ahead and use my Flexy brush, which I'll go ahead and link in my description. So I go ahead and just brush it through. Once my hair feels coated with product, I just work through each section till I make my way to the top. So I just repeat the same steps throughout the rest of my hair, and I just realized I never introduced myself for those of you who might be new to my channel. So welcome if you guys are new to my channel. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this Botanika mask works in my hair, as well as the Botanika curl cream, which I'll show you guys in a few, keep on watching. So once the mask is fully in my hair, I go ahead and add a plastic cap as well. I do like to add heat to my routine, especially if you have low porosity hair. I highly recommend it. So for the sake of today's video, I am going to be using my thermal heat cap. This is a microwavable heat cap, which I absolutely love. It does its job, and I always talk about adding heat to my routine. So if you're someone who's looking for another option, if you don't want to sit under a hooded dryer, or if you don't want to add a attachment to your blow dryer, this is a good one, and I'll go ahead and add a link to my description as well. Okay, so I actually kept the mask in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, and these are my results once I rinsed it out. So using the same brush I used in the beginning, I do like to brush my hair out to make sure there's no tangles, and it makes my styling process a lot easier. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and section our hair the same way we did with the mask. And for this video, I am going to be using the Botanika Beauty, the Hydrator Curl Cream. I actually haven't really tried this. I've used it for an updo, but I haven't actually used it to style my hair. I've used it just to add moisture to my hair. So as you guys see, the texture is very, very light. As I'm raking the product through my hair, I do feel like it gives my hair a lot of slip and moisture. So I'm so excited to see how this pairs with the gel. You guys already know I am absolutely obsessed with the Wetline Extreme Gel, so I try to pair almost every product I can with this gel because I feel like there's no hold like it. So as you guys see, I'm going to go ahead and rake the Wetline Extreme Gel through my hair in the same section, of course. And then once I feel like I have enough product in my hair, I go ahead and brush it through just to clump the curls up. So far, so good. I already love the way this section is looking. My curls are clumping up really well. The moisture and definition mix is looking bomb. So typically the bottom half of my hair is actually drier than the top half. I don't know why, but it tends to be a little bit more dry. So once I see that the bottom sections are looking super defined and moisturized, I have nothing but good vibes for the rest of this routine. So you guys already know the deal. I'm going to repeat the same exact steps throughout the rest of my hair, but I did want to talk a little bit about the curl cream while you guys watch me style the rest of my hair. So this product claims to define and hydrate, control frizz, and it's for medium to thick hair. It contains cacao, honey, and rosemary. This product smells absolutely amazing and is super gentle and soft on the hair. So I definitely recommend it. At first, I was a little bit confused because I didn't feel like it was doing much to my hair, but as I was raking it through, it made my hair feel super soft, and I just felt like I needed to add a little bit more product. So a little bit does go a long way. I have a little bit more than half left of this product. Actually, definitely more than half of this product left. So a little bit definitely did go a long way, gave my hair a lot of slip, and as you guys can see, the shine, the moisture, I'm definitely here for all of it. So once my hair is fully styled, I am gonna go ahead and diffuse the rest of my hair. Alright guys, so my hair is fully dry. I actually dried my hair with my diffuser till about, it was 80% dry, and then I went out and let my hair just air dry for the rest of the time. So this is what it looks like. It was pretty rainy out here, pretty humid for the most part, so I do expect my hair to have a little bit of frizz, but for the most part, this product combo is pretty freaking bomb. Like, look at this, guys. You see it? It's definitely super fluffy and soft, and I could tell that it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger progressively throughout the days, but I really, really like these results. I did want to talk about each product individually because I really, really enjoyed this combo and I loved the deep conditioning mask, so I'm gonna start off with that one. So as you guys saw, I used the Revitalizer, which is their deep conditioning mask. It's supposed to help strengthen and repair, add moisture, and it's for all hair types. This, actually, I was pretty surprised. It's kind of like a lighter texture than what I'm typically used to for a deep conditioner, but it did a really, really good job at moisturizing my hair, and it pretty much melted into my hair. So as you guys saw, when I was brushing the product throughout my hair, it wasn't like, you know when it's too much, when you have a lot of product in your hair and it's white when you brush it through your hair, my hair was actually like drinking the product. You didn't see an excess of product in my hair, but my hair felt super duper moisturized and I absolutely loved it. So I actually went ahead and I actually put on the heating cap that I showed you guys in this video, and I also sat under the hooded dryer for about 10 minutes because I felt like my hair needed that extra love, extra moisture. And once I rinsed it out, my hair was super duper soft. So I would definitely pick this up again. I don't remember what the price is. I will go ahead and tag it as well. But again, I really enjoyed this mask. I've used it in the past. I picked this up. When did I pick this up? So my story with Botanika is I live in Connecticut, so it's difficult for me to get my hands on Botanika Beauty because they just don't have them around me. So I was actually in Brooklyn a few months ago and I found it at a local Target, and I was able to pick the curl cream and the Revitalizer mask. So those are the only two that I was able to review for you guys today because that's all I had, but I will be picking up more of their products and reviewing those for you guys. So a fun fact, I actually was at their launch party. I don't know if that's what they're called, but I was at the event that they were pretty much releasing to the world that Botanika Beauty was coming into stores and was able for purchase. It was super cool to be one of the first people to know and to experience this with Ada. So it was super exciting and I'm super proud of her, and this brand is only just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. So I'm so excited to see what other products that this brand releases. So the next product that I used in my hair, as you guys saw, was the Hydrator. So this is their curl cream. This actually felt very serum-y in my hair. I don't know if that was the purpose. I don't know if it's just how it felt in my hair, but it was a lighter texture. Let me show you guys. So it was kind of like a lighter texture, but once it was in my hair, it kind of felt like a serum, oily based product. And it felt really weird, but as I kept breaking it through my hair, it made my hair super duper soft and gave it a lot of slip. So I really did enjoy this combo along with the Wetline Extreme Gel. I actually did a pre-test and I actually mixed them on my hand beforehand and it worked really well, so I was super excited. This product claims to define, hydrate, and control frizz, and it's for medium to thick hair. It contains honey, rosemary, cacao, a ton of amazing ingredients, and you guys, my hair felt super duper moisturized, so I do actually enjoy this as a leave-in curl cream. I couldn't use this on its own because I feel like my hair just requires a gel. I wish my hair didn't, but my hair definitely just needs a gel. I mean, depending on how I want my hair to look, if I want these defined curls, then I most definitely need to use a gel. If I'm okay with having my hair just like big and all over the place, then I definitely can go with just using a cream. And this one actually felt super good in my hair, made it feel super soft. My hair feels super hydrated. As you guys can see, there's hella moisture. Definition is definitely there. And for the most part, they're not frizzy. My curls are not frizzy. I was outside today in pretty humid weather and it started to rain where we were, so for the most part, my curls actually look pretty intact. Like, I want to give you guys a close-up to make sure you guys can see. But yeah, so my curls look pretty intact and I'm really happy with my results. My hair feels super soft. literally no crunch. So I didn't even have to scrunch anything out, literally no crunch. So if you guys resonate with my hair type, I definitely would recommend using the curl cream with the Wetline Extreme Gel because it was absolutely amazing. But the key to a successful wash and go is starting with moisturizing shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, curl creams. All of it starts from your shampoo. So if you guys have been contemplating trying Botanika Beauty, I would highly recommend them. I've only tried 2 of their products and I absolutely love them. They do have a protein treatment. I know they have a mousse. I'm not entirely sure what they have, but I do know that they have a pretty small selection right now, but I know that they're gonna continue to expand their brand and I'm super excited to see what else they release. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, and if you guys tried any particular Botanika Beauty products that you guys think I should try, go ahead and comment them down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.